Oh, wow. I am enamored with this weather, guys. I am enamored with this weather. Look at that sun. That is bright, bright sun. Are you enamored with this weather? I am so enamored with it. Now it's windy. Guys, I just started the video and now it's super windy. Let's see if I can block the wind. Go hide behind this tree over here. So guys, do you know what enamored means? If you're enamored with something, or you can say of. Okay, you can use both those words, with or of. But personally, I like to use with, and I think that's more common. But you can say it both ways. You can be enamored of something or enamored with something. That means you really like something a lot. You love it. You are, you admire it like a person, I'm enamored with you. That means I like you. You're amazing. You're amazing, guys. Are you enamored with me? I hope so. Hope you're enamored with me. Maybe you're enamored with this nice windy day. Do you like wind? I hate wind, guys. I was talking to someone yesterday and they said they hate wind too, and I was like, great. That's good. It makes me feel better because I've always hated wind. I just don't like it. It's not good for YouTubers, but I hated wind long before I became a YouTuber, guys. So let me know, do you like wind? I just don't like it at all. But I love sun, and clouds are nice, and beautiful, water and stuff. So guys, can you think of some example sentences with enamored? What are you enamored with? Let me know down in the comments. When I was a kid, I was really enamored with Ronaldo. Brazilian Ronaldo, not the new Ronaldo people are talking about. Cristiano Ronaldo. I was enamored with the real Ronaldo, Brazilian Ronaldo. He was just awesome, guys. He was awesome. And Roberto Carlos. I loved Brazil. Hopefully I can go to Brazil someday, because when I was a kid, I just loved the Brazilian soccer team. They were awesome. I was enamored with that team. I guess I tend to be enamored with a certain team, not really the country necessarily. Like, I still like Brazil. I like the Brazilian team, and I always will, but there was that particular team in like the 90s, right? The mid to late 90s, those years, that team was just incredible. I love those players. So, and then after that, I got enamored with Germany, the German team in from 2006 probably to like 2000. Whoa, guys, I almost fell over into the canal. Yeah, so I was enamored with Germany for probably about a decade, and then I didn't really. There's something about a certain team, right? I really like that German team in that period of time. After that, it just kind of fell apart. So, which soccer team, in the World Cup, which team are you enamored with? I'm always enamored with, guys, Brazil and I don't know, Germany. I still like those teams, but I haven't watched soccer now for a long time. What else can we say? What else can we talk about with the word enamored? I was really enamored with her gentleness. I could say she's such a nice person. She's so gentle. She's so kind. I was really enamored with her when I met her. And now we're married. You could say that. Now we're married. I married her. I can't say that I'm not married, guys, but maybe you can say that. if you're enamored with someone, you could say, I was enamored with his ability to handle stress. He was always stable in the face of stressful situations. I was enamored, or I am enamored. Depends if you're talking past or present, right? You could say I'm enamored with his ability to handle stress. I'm enamored with his courage. I'm enamored with anything. Guys, anything you want. Should we keep walking? Let's keep walking, guys. So let me know your examples down in the comments. So like I said, you can be enamored with anything. Why is it more windy up here than down there? I'm literally a few feet higher up here. Like, look at this. If I go down here, it's gonna be less windy. Oh, I was wrong. Sorry guys, my alarm's going off. Gotta turn off my alarm. I lied, it's not less windy down here. Just the same, so may as well go back on the windy path. Oh man, I wish... You can use this also in the negative. You can say, I was not enamored with the weather in Canada. If you... Guys, it's just so windy, and I know it makes the audio really bad, right? Maybe if I walk backwards and block the wind. I'll just walk this way, maybe. Let's walk away from the sun. You could say I was enamored. You could say I was not enamored with the weather there. Like if you came to Canada, let's say, and you lived here for a few years, and then you went back, and you're talking with your friends back home in Brazil, you could say I was not enamored with the weather in Canada. That means you did not like it. I am not enamored with the weather in Canada. Generally, today is nice because it's sunny, but it's windy. That's the problem, guys, with Canada. You know, especially here in Alberta, it's either really windy, or it's really cold, or it's both. Or if you get lucky, you might have a really nice day where it's calm, it's sunny, it's warm. I'm enamored with those days. But you know, here in the summers, the last few years have been really bad with the forest fires. You know, I would say the redeeming quality of Canada is... Plane up there trying to ruin my video, guys. Is literally flying directly above me. The redeeming quality of Canada is the summers. The summers are what really enamors people. Do you become enamored when you see Canadian summers, like camping and the beautiful mountains and the lakes, and it's just beautiful. The problem with those things is if the weather is really bad, you can't really enjoy them. And it's just like, you know, if Canada could have good weather, and the summers typically were really nice. The problem is, then the forest fires started. Remember, like, when was that? 2021, I think, when I was out in BC. Man, the really bad forest fires that summer. And then, you know, I came back to Alberta here, and then there were some really, you know, smoky days here as well. So what's this summer gonna bring? Is it gonna be super smoky? I don't know, guys. I wouldn't doubt it, right? I'm expecting it. Last year was the worst year in forest fire history in Canada by far. So what's gonna happen this year? I don't know. So if the summers are the best part of Canada, and the summers are really smoky, it really makes you wonder why people are even living here. You know, if the weather is cold for so many months. Guys, I think a fish just jumped out over there. Huh. I didn't see it, but I heard it. So yeah, you know, if the weather is bad in a place all year round, like how about in your country? Is the weather bad all year round? Or is it just like maybe there's one season that's bad? Like let's say there's a hot season and maybe you don't like hot weather, or there's a rainy season and you don't like rainy weather. You know, the weather here in Canada is bad like at least 8 to 10 months out of the year. You know, there might be a nice month, 1 or 2 months. But, and if those months are smoky, well, what are you going to do? Go hiking and breathe in all this like wildfire smoke? I don't know. Guys, I think it's maybe time to get out of this country. That's what I'm thinking. But, I don't know. What do you think? Where would you like me to go? I haven't made any decisions or anything, but I don't know, guys. At least it's not smoky out here. It's windy, it's sunny, not smoky, and it's a nice peaceful day. So guys, what are you enamored with or not enamored with? You can let me know negative examples too. I was not enamored with all the noise. I was not enamored with all the birds and the crows. I was not enamored. I'm not enamored with the wind. I'm not enamored. What are you not enamored with? And what are you enamored with? Who are you enamored with? What area are you enamored with? What season are you enamored with? Like I said, you can use this word enamored with anything. It could be a person, it could be a place, it could be a thing, it could be an idea, it could be, you know, probably a political system. That bird's trying to give me his, maybe that bird is enamored with me. That bird is enamored with us guys. They keep flying over our heads, and maybe the planes, maybe that's why the planes keep flying over, because they're enamored with us. Isn't that special? So, you know, you could be enamored with a political system. Maybe you're enamored with socialism or capitalism or any other kind of ism. Maybe you're enamored with a certain religion or a certain people group. You know what? One thing I'm kind of enamored with is I'd love to go to Africa, guys. I have never been to Africa in my life. I love African people. You know, they're just cool. I'm enamored. I would say I'm enamored with Africans. I've never been there, but if I were to go, it's just such a, like, it seems like such a magical kind of place. You know, I don't know, but kind of scary at the same time. I don't know. I don't know why I've never been there, but I think I would be enamored with it. If I were to go to Africa, I think I would become enamored with the place. So anyway, guys, just wanted to teach you that word, and let me know your examples. Let me know who you're enamored with and what you're enamored with. And guys, from here in sunny, windy Alberta, I wish you a great day. Wish you all the best. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, and happy. And as always, I love you so much. And thank you guys for all your nice comments and for always smashing that like button. And I'll bid you farewell for now until my next video, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.